It's here. So, this is the first time I am seeing my artist box. It looks beautiful. It comes with a card here, and it's got, let's see, it tells you all about the 3D foundation and about the story, the Seint story. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's see. We have the perfector in this container right here, which is like a beauty blender from what I understand it to be. Yep. Let me grab scissors. That's my kid in the background. Okay, yeah, this is like a beauty blender, but it has a little tin that goes with it. That is so adorable. I love it. It's so cool. It comes with 2 brushes. These are really nice. I love the packaging. This one says it's designed for quick, all-in-one application. So, I ordered one other brush. I think the liner brush, but it's not here yet. I don't know, how are you supposed to take this off? I'm gonna cut it because I don't want it to ruin it. I'm so delicate with it too. I just don't want it to hurt it. It's beautiful. I thought they were silver, and it's like almost like a rose gold color. Like here's white, and it's like a rose gold. It's really nice. I don't know how to show off makeup brushes or anything really yet. This is designed for an airbrushed application. Just what we need. Here comes my son. Thank you. I love you. I have 4 kids. Okay. This is the one I'll be using more, I think, for like the highlight, which is foundation, and then the contour probably here, I would imagine. I got 3 of these. Yep. This one holds 4 as a mirror. The same here. And then this one, I love the packaging, it's so cute. I will be so careful with it, even though I'm going to use it, but still. See. Yep, that's my phone. So this one has the mirror still, and then it has this too, so this is the bigger one. And then I'm so excited about these. Ah, they're so beautiful. They're all different, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some in here. And see. What they look like. Ooh, that one's pretty. They're all so beautiful. My hand's shaking. I'm trying to see if that'll focus. Sorry about the background noise. He is into his show right now because his sister is taking a nap, so he's not being bothered right now, and he likes it. He likes that he is just chilling. Yeah, brown hair. Drop that one. And they're all obviously different colors, like, and then it says vanilla dust setting powder, so they're not all, you know, the exact same. This one, obviously that's a highlight, it says, but you can use those for, you know, whatever, if it matches your color that you want to use for that. This one is contour. It's a darker one, but if that matches your skin tone, I'm pretty sure you could use that as your highlight. It doesn't have to be, you know, your contour. It all goes on your face, you know. Even the lip and cheek, it's all interchangeable. It's all good for your skin. If you look at the ingredients, it's all the ingredients on here. Every single thing. Sorry, my nails are dirty. I feel like every time I have a day where I'm like doing chores and leaving the house and stuff, my nails get really dirty. See, even the setting powder is like such a small list. And I'll post too the list of ingredients of like name brand makeup compared to these. And you'll see. So yeah, that's what I got.